Today we're going to be unboxing the Klarstein Lambada Blender. Let's do this! Introducing the Klarstein Lambada Blender. Let's just go through what it comes with. You have your lid, as well as detachable jug and the main machine itself. The machine itself has 5 controls. There is a smoothie mode, a pulse mode, low, medium and high speeds. So you can set it to exactly what you need it to do. In terms of scale, this will give you a good idea here. My trusty banana. Now obviously if you're gonna throw a banana in there, you may have to cut it in half, but that's fine. The Lambada here would do the rest of the work for you. The other thing I noticed about it is its very firm grip on the surface. Kid you not, this thing is stable as stable can be. It's suitable for baby food, fruit. You can even blend ice in here without having to worry about anything. And it only switches on once the jug here has been firmly placed on the machine itself. It also has overheating safety, so it will switch off if anything were to go wrong. It also has a maximum continuous operation time of 1 minute. So there you have it, the Klarstein Lambada Blender. I hope you enjoy it.